Benefits of creating data in table. Converting data into tables in Excel makes it easier to organize, sort, and analyze. It automatically formats your data, expands as you add more. Select data with Ctrl+A, then press Ctrl+T. Now table is create. You can add column and row as per your requirement. Tables in Excel come with built-in formatting options that automatically apply styles, such as alternating row colors and header formatting. This enhances readability and makes your data visually appealing. Enjoy automatically formatted column and row as per your requirement. Subscribe my channel for more videos.